Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 13th surface areas and volumes exercise 13.2 question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter, the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find the inner curved surface area. So first of all we have to find the inner curved surface area. So let us see what is given to us. We will write first. So metal pipe, this is a metal pipe which say that height given here is 77 centimeter. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeters. So it is also given that inner diameter is 4 centimeters. So we can write inner radius will be 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. Radius is half of the diameter. Or we can take this inner radius as small r. So small r is given to be 2 centimeter. Now again outer diameter is given. Outer diameter is given to be 4.4 centimeter. So outer radius, which is the half of the outer diameter, it will come out to be 2.2 centimeter. We can take it as capital R. Let us take it as capital R. So this will be 2.2 centimeter. So we can see from this figure, if we will see the top, so this inner radius is 2 and the outer radius is 2.2 centimeter. So first of all, we have to find the inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area is given by 2 pi RH. The formula for the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. We have to find the inner curved surface area. So we are taking the inner radius. So let us substitute the value. Pi is 22 by 7. Small r is 2. H is 77. So this is 11 from here. So this is 88 into 11 and this answer will be 968 centimeter square. Now secondly we have to find the outer surface area, outer curved surface area in the second part. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Since we have to find the outer curved surface area, we will take the outer radius which is 2.2. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 into H. H here is 77. So this is 11 from here. This will be equal to 44 multiplied by 24.2. So this answer will be 1064.8 centimeter square. Now in the third case, we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area of metal pipe. Now remember here one thing, total surface area doesn't mean that you have to just simply apply the formula of the total surface area of cylinder, because here we have two radii. This metal pipe is hollow from inside. So what we have to see, if you will see this figure, if you will see the top and bottom of this pipe, you will get this type of surface. That is, the pipe is hollow from inside. So when we have to find the total surface area of this metal pipe, it will be the inner curved surface area, which is from inside, the outer curved surface area, which is from outside, and this area of ring. This is a ring on the top and on the bottom, and area of this ring is given by pi r square minus pi small r square, and there are two types of rings here. So let us write the formula here. Total surface area of metal pipe will be inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of two rings. Now the inner curved surface area is 968 as we have already calculated in the first part. Outer curved surface area is 1064.8 and area of two rings is given by 2 pi r square minus pi r square, which is the area of the ring. Now it will be 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2, let us take pi common, r square minus r square. So it will be equal to 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 multiplied by 22 by 7. Now capital R is 2.2. So this will be 4.84, 2.2 square. R is 2. So this will be 4. Now 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.84. This is 0.12, 12 sevens are 84, and finally the answer will be 968 plus 1064.8 plus 5.28. When these are multiplied, we will get 5.28 and your final answer will be 2038.08 centimeter square.